What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video we're simply going to go ahead and show you the step-by-step process of how to make money as soon as today with Clickbank. If you're a brand new beginner, or even if you've been using Clickbank for a while and haven't figured out how to get results, this is going to be the video for you. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire-ass video. And I'm so excited for you guys to join me here. Currently here in the studio apartment here in Serbia, my first country in Europe. Who am I? I'm a serial digital entrepreneur and a world traveler. And I've been traveling simply by making money online from my laptop, right? So I decided to create content and create a YouTube channel dedicated towards helping people live their life by design once they learn how to make money online, right? So with that being said, if you like that type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell. And number two, if you guys go ahead and click the link below, you guys can get access to a free training and my #1 recommendation to make money online, right? It'll be the second link in the description. Take immediate action on that. Now let's get into the content. And before we do, let's go ahead and step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, guys, very simple. Clickbank is acting a little bit funny right now, so I just decided to create a PowerPoint presentation. This is gonna be short, sweet, and to the point, right? Now, basically, the first step, guys, if you look here, is to create a Clickbank account. Now, once you go to clickbank.com, at the top right, it's literally gonna say create an account. And once you go ahead and press create an account, it'll literally go ahead and have the form that you need to put in your information and your details to create an account. I'm not gonna walk you through that. You're not a baby. If you're watching this, obviously you guys can figure out how to do that, all right? Once you have your account created, the next step number 2, is how to pick a niche, right? You need to figure out which niche you guys want to go ahead and enter in, and once you find that niche, you can find different products within that niche, right? Now, the 3 people always ask me which niches make the most money. Which niches would you recommend the most, Eric? Guys, the top 3 forever will be health, wealth, and romance, right? So if you're gonna go ahead and find something that will never die out, number 1, and number 2, that there's a big amount of people who buy products within those niches, health, wealth, and romance, right? In this specific example, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you guys can actually use this method with the health niche, but this works for all niches, right? Step number 3 is, once you pick a niche, you need to find an offer, right? Now, once you go to the marketplace at the top right of Clickbank, right? If you look here at the marketplace, right? Once you go to the marketplace, it'll go ahead and give you access to these. You're gonna click one of these down below. So let's just say you click health and wellness, right? Then you're gonna go ahead and get access to all your offers, right? Now, if you look here, health and fitness, right? So that's the niche that we looked into. The next step is finding a filtering by the gravity, right? Now, if you look here, 192.67. Also, gravity scores is simply the amount of affiliates who have made money within the last week with Clickbank, right? So with that being said, if you guys want to go ahead and make money with Clickbank, you need to find offers that people are already making money with. If they're not making money with it, then obviously it most likely doesn't convert, right? So the thing about it is, if people are already making money with it, that means you can make money with it, right? And if you notice in this example, guys, you don't have to pick this off. You guys can pick multiple offers, right? But for this example, I have red tea detox. And what you're simply gonna do is you're simply going to go ahead and press promote. Once you press promote, it's gonna go ahead and pull up a long, ugly link like this. And what I would highly recommend is, if you decide that you do your research, guys, I highly recommend doing your research and doing your due diligence on these offers, because you don't want to promote an offer that is a crappy offer, right? So go on Google, look at reviews, see if it's a good offer. If it's a good offer and people are saying good things about it, then once you grab this link, I would recommend getting a URL shortener. That's like bit.ly, that's like tiny URL, whatever, right? Find one of these and then shorten this ugly link. And then once you find this link, right, the next step number 4, is get people to your sales page, right? And that sales page is something like this, right? It's gonna do all the selling for you. You don't have to do anything. You simply have to get people to this sales page, right? And step number 4 is where this comes in, right? So guys, as stated before, this is how you're gonna be able to make money for free. Now, this does take time, effort, and energy, but you keep on watching. I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can expedite this process if you guys do have a little bit of money to spend, right? So the objective, guys, is to leverage the Instagram platform. How to make money with Instagram and Clickbank, right? So if you have an Instagram influencer account, that's the objective, guys, is to create an Instagram influencer account. So how you do this is you simply go ahead and create a niche-based Instagram account, and you want to consistently produce content. And once you consistently produce content, you want to engage with people, you want to grow that following. Once you start growing that following, it's essentially a distribution channel, meaning it's a channel that you can use and leverage to distribute products and services. What's pretty cool is because, let's just say, for this example, Fitness Often, right? Fitness Often has built a large following of 304,000 followers around the niche of health and wellness, right? So their audience is interested in health and wellness. So obviously if I promote a product in health and wellness, they're gonna eat it up, they're gonna buy it. Why? Because they're looking to solve that problem. My product solves that problem, right? So you're gonna make so much money. So with that being said, the way you do it is in the description, there's always an option, a link in the description. You're simply gonna go to build this following, right? And you're gonna have a link in the description, and then all you have to do is to get people to drive traffic to the link in the description, you create an influencer ad, right? So the influencer ad is simply like this, right? They have, now guys, obviously you would create a different product, but this is literally an ad on Fitness Often, but you would go and create an ad designed for your product, and I would highly recommend using like Fiverr.com. You can literally type in Instagram ads and find them for as low as $5. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the text, and then you're gonna go ahead and drive traffic with the following that you've built. Now you're probably asking, well, Eric, cool, but I don't have a freaking Instagram account. Now you can grow an Instagram account and it'll be an asset and you'll forever be able to monetize it. But if you don't, right, you can reach out to people who already have one, right? And what you can do is you can simply reach out to them, inbox them, and obviously if there's space in their link in the description and they're not promoting anything at the time, right, you can go ahead and reach out to them and say, hey, how's it going? I like your page. I was interested in getting traffic to my website. How much do you how much do you charge for an Instagram shout out, right? I have the advertisement materials. I'm just looking for a shout out, right? They'll go ahead and give you a price. Now you're probably wondering, how do I know if it's a good price or not? You simply reach out to multiple people with the same exact following, or roughly, let's just say 300,000 for this example to 350,000. Then I'm gonna price compare. Obviously, the average pricing will be a good price. If somebody's charging way too much, I'm like, bro, you're overcharging. This person quoted me $50, or this person quoted me $30. You're charging way too much. What do you mean 200, right? So you price compare. Once you find somebody, you go ahead and give them the text, right? Once you give them the text, you're gonna give them the ad, and then you're gonna go ahead and schedule a date that they're gonna go ahead and do the shout out. And then once you do the shout out, right, they're gonna drive traffic to the link in the description, right, which is your sales page. And let's just say this offer right here is $29.89. Let's just say I spend $20 and let's just say I get 3 sales, right? If I spent $20 and I got 3 sales, which is essentially $90, that's $70 in profit. Now guys, the best way to really make money with this is if you guys put a sales funnel in front of this sales page, right? In front of this sales page. And what's gonna happen is you'll actually capture those leads and you'll be able to follow up with the same offer multiple times. And you'll be able to get way more money because you're gonna start building an email list to where you can drive more traffic. Now guys, down below will be a link. There will be a link in the description to where you guys can actually get access to a free training that will teach you guys about sales funnels and everything of that nature to actually partner this together and make way more money. But you can do this without a sales funnel, but you'll make way more money over the long term once you guys incorporate sales funnels in email marketing, right? So if you guys like that method, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell so you can get notified every time, because I create videos like this all the time, every single day, right? So if you want to be the first to get notified, hit that notifications bell, make sure you do it. And number 2, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. I would be nothing without you. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.